So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your Simplii Financial bank account on PayPal. Once PayPal is opened up, go to the top, press on PayPal balance. Once you're here, select on add money. Then type the amount of money that you want to add. So if you wanted to add $10, I will just select $10 for this example. Then at the bottom, I want you to press on link a bank account. On this page under popular banks for me, if you scroll down right below Tangerine, it says Simplii Financial. You can select on it like that, or if you don't see it, go to the search bar, start to type in Simplii Financial, and then select it. Once that is done, it'll bring you to this login page right here. You can log into your account by typing in your card number, your password, agreeing and linking the account, and then adding the money from the Simplii Financial bank account this way. So that is how to add money from your Simplii Financial bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.